Just wanted to show you what I did today. This is probably one of them saw blades I bought the other day. Another knife I'm doing for my cousin. For skinning and butchering. I still got them. It's just roughed in right now. Still got a little bit of finish grind in it and put a little bit of edge on it and heat treat it. The saw blades make pretty good knives. Them little hand saws. Way easier to work with than them files. Let me know what y'all think. Got one hole where the bolt hole went in through the handle. I'm going to use it for a lanyard hole. Put some finger grooves. Let me know what y'all think.